Hey guys, it's Warren here, and here is a brilliant recipe to serve up with a lovely wholesome dinner, great for times of the year like Easter or Thanksgiving. Here is how to make green bean casserole.
And this is enough to serve 4 people. To begin with, take 400 grams of washed mushrooms and slice. Now take a large saucepan and place it over a medium heat on the stove. Add a knob of butter and allow it to melt, then add in your sliced mushrooms. Also add 4 finely chopped garlic cloves and 4 rashers of chopped bacon, and if you want to keep it vegetarian, simply skip this step out. Now fry these ingredients for about 5 minutes, making sure that some of the juices from the mushrooms remain in the pan. Then to these juices add 1 tablespoon of plain flour and mix the flour into the juices until the sauce becomes thicker. Next, pour in 40 milliliters of double or heavy cream, then top the ingredients up with some vegetable stock until the ingredients are just covered. Give everything in the saucepan a stir, then leave to simmer over a low heat for 15 minutes. And meanwhile, in a separate saucepan, bring some water up to boiling point and blanch 250 grams of green beans. After the 5 minutes, take the green beans from the saucepan and place them in a bowl of cold water, which will stop them cooking. Now, after 15 minutes of the mushroom sauce thickening up, then add the green beans to the saucepan. Mix them in until they're all coated in the sauce, then take an oven dish. Pour the contents of the saucepan into the dish. Again, make sure those beans are coated in that lovely mushroom sauce, then place into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit. You then need to leave it to bake in the oven for 15 minutes. And meanwhile, we'll prepare some French fried onions for the topping. They're easy to make because all you have to do is slice an onion, coat the onions in some milk and flour, then fry in a hot pan with some oil. And when they've turned lovely and golden, set them aside. Now, after 15 minutes of baking, remove the green bean casserole from the oven. Again, give it a stir to make sure it's all cooked and the sauce is lovely and thick, then add the French fried onions to the top. Also grate over some parmesan cheese, then your green bean casserole is ready to enjoy. And if you loved the look of this recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and you can check out more of my videos by clicking on one of the videos appearing on screen.